Welcome to Esplanade at Hacienda Lakes in Naples, Florida. The community is inspired by California Tuscan architecture. The community's 443 single-family homes feature tile roofs, ornamental detailing, and lush landscaping. Homes feature 2 to 4 bedrooms and 2 or 3 car garages, all with flexible space options. Amenities include a gated entrance, resort-style pool, large clubhouse, pickleball courts, tennis court, bocce ball, fitness area, and more. For information on resale homes at Esplanade at Hacienda Lakes, or if you are interested in selling your Esplanade home, please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples. Call 239-229-9926. There is a link to the available resale homes in the video description below. If you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss our next informative video on Naples, Florida real estate. Thanks for watching.